The web is in constant motion. What's cutting edge today might be obsolete tomorrow. This rapid evolution keeps web developers on their toes. It's an exciting time to be in the field. By 2025, we can expect even more significant changes. These changes will reshape how we build and experience the web. Web development trends are driven by user expectations. Users demand faster, more engaging, and seamless experiences. They also want personalized content and intuitive interfaces. This demand pushes developers to adopt new technologies. It also forces them to rethink traditional approaches. The future of web development hinges on several key trends. These include the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning. We will also see a greater focus on server-side rendering and mobile-first design. API-first development and cloud computing will continue to gain traction. Furthermore, we'll witness the rise of serverless and microservices architectures. In the following sections, we will delve into each of these trends. We'll explore their impact on web development. We will also examine the tools and technologies shaping the industry. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are no longer futuristic concepts. They are rapidly becoming integral parts of web development. AI and ML are automating tasks. They're also helping developers create more intelligent and personalized web experiences. AI-powered tools can automate repetitive coding tasks. This frees up developers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of web development. Imagine AI writing basic HTML or CSS, allowing developers to focus on intricate JavaScript logic or user experience design. Predictive analytics powered by ML is another game changer. By analyzing user data, ML algorithms can predict user behavior. This allows websites to offer personalized content recommendations. It also enables them to personalize the user experience, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. The integration of AI and ML in web development is still in its early stages. However, it holds immense potential. As AI and ML technologies mature, we can expect even more innovative applications. These applications will further streamline the development process. They will also lead to more sophisticated and personalized web experiences. In the early days of the web, server-side rendering was the norm. However, with the advent of JavaScript frameworks, client-side rendering gained popularity. While CSR offers advantages for dynamic single-page applications, it can negatively impact website performance, particularly the initial load time. SSR addresses this issue by rendering the initial state of the web page on the server. This means the user sees a fully rendered page almost instantly. This improves the user experience. It also boosts SEO, as search engines can easily crawl and index server-rendered content. Modern JavaScript frameworks are increasingly supporting SSR. Frameworks like Next.js and Nux.js make it easier to build web apps with SSR capabilities. This trend towards SSR reflects a growing emphasis on website performance. It also highlights the importance of delivering a seamless user experience. Mobile devices have become the primary means of accessing the internet for a significant portion of the global population. This shift in user behavior necessitates a mobile-first approach to web development. Mobile-first design prioritizes the mobile experience. Websites are designed for smaller screens first and then scaled up for larger devices. This ensures that mobile users have a seamless and enjoyable browsing experience. Key aspects of mobile-first design include responsive design, touch-optimized interfaces, and fast loading times. Websites should adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes and orientations. They should also be easy to navigate and interact with using touch gestures. Furthermore, optimizing images, minimizing code, and leveraging browser caching are crucial for fast loading speeds on mobile connections. A mobile-first approach is no longer optional, it's a necessity. Websites that fail to prioritize the mobile experience risk alienating a large segment of their audience. By embracing mobile-first design principles, developers can create websites that cater to the needs of today's on-the-go users. Section 5. API-first and cloud computing. Building for scalability and flexibility. API-first development and cloud computing are two trends that go hand in hand, enabling developers to build scalable, flexible, and cost-effective web applications. API-first development involves designing and building APIs, or application programming interfaces, before developing the applications that will consume them. This approach promotes reusability, modularity, and easier integration with other systems. By defining clear API contracts, developers can work on different parts of an application independently, speeding up development and reducing errors. Cloud computing provides the infrastructure to support API-first development. Cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure offer a wide range of services, including computing power, storage, databases, and networking. These services are available on demand and can be scaled up or down as needed, providing flexibility and cost savings. The combination of API-first development and cloud computing empowers developers to build modern, scalable, and resilient web applications. These applications can easily adapt to changing business requirements and handle increasing user demand without compromising performance or reliability. Section 6. Serverless and microservices architectures of the future. As web applications become more complex, traditional monolithic architectures are proving to be less efficient and scalable. This is where serverless and microservices architectures come into play, offering a more agile and distributed approach to web development. Serverless architecture allows developers to build and run applications without managing servers. Cloud providers handle the underlying infrastructure, including scaling and maintenance. Developers only pay for the resources they consume, making serverless a cost-effective option for many applications. Microservices architecture involves breaking down an application into small independent services that communicate with each other via APIs. Each microservice can be developed, deployed, and scaled independently, allowing for greater flexibility and faster development cycles. While serverless and microservices architectures present their own challenges, they offer significant advantages for building modern, scalable, and maintainable web applications. These architectures are likely to gain even more prominence in the coming years. Section 7. The Front-End Toolkit, Frameworks and Tools for Modern Web Development. The front-end landscape is constantly evolving, with new frameworks, libraries, and tools emerging regularly. Staying updated with the latest trends is crucial for front-end developers to build performant, maintainable, and user-friendly web applications. React continues to be a dominant force in front-end development. Its component-based architecture, virtual DOM, and large community make it a popular choice for building complex and interactive user interfaces. Vue.js, another popular framework, offers a more approachable learning curve and a focus on developer experience. For styling, utility-first CSS frameworks like Tailwind CSS are gaining popularity. Tailwind provides a set of predefined CSS classes that can be combined to create custom designs quickly and efficiently. This approach promotes consistency and reduces the need for writing custom CSS. Build tools like Webpack and Parcel automate tasks like code bundling, minification, and transpilation, streamlining the development process and improving website performance. These tools have become indispensable for modern front-end development workflows. The front-end ecosystem is vast and dynamic. Exploring and experimenting with new frameworks, libraries, and tools can help developers expand their skill set and build cutting-edge web applications. Section 8. Beyond the screen, emerging user interfaces. The way we interact with the web is evolving beyond traditional screens and keyboards. Emerging user interfaces like progressive web apps or PWAs, voice search, and augmented reality, Arkansas, and virtual reality, VR, are transforming how we experience the web. PWAs combine the best of web and native apps. They offer features like offline functionality, push notifications, and home screen installation, providing a more app-like experience within the browser. Voice search is becoming increasingly popular with the rise of voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Optimizing websites for voice search involves using natural language, structuring content for voice queries, and providing clear and concise answers. AR and VR are still in their early stages of adoption for the web. However, they hold immense potential for creating immersive and interactive experiences. AR can overlay digital content onto the real world, while VR can transport users to entirely virtual environments. These emerging User interfaces are pushing the boundaries of web development, creating new opportunities for innovation and user engagement. Section 9. Staying ahead of the curve. The importance of continuous learning. The world of web development is in a constant state of flux. New technologies emerge, trends shift, and user expectations continue to evolve. In this dynamic landscape, continuous learning is no longer optional. It's essential for web developers to stay relevant and competitive. Web developers should embrace a growth mindset, always seeking to expand their knowledge and skills. This involves staying updated with the latest industry trends, experimenting with new tools and technologies, and engaging with the developer community. Online learning platforms, coding bootcamps, and industry conferences provide ample opportunities for professional development. Contributing to open source projects, attending meetups, and participating in online forums can also foster learning and growth. The key is to cultivate a passion for learning and a willingness to adapt to change. By embracing continuous learning, web developers can navigate the ever-evolving landscape of web development and thrive in this exciting and rewarding field.